Today, let's explore the book Inferiority and Transcendence. In reality, this book is not solely about inferiority. It delves into a deep understanding of the meaning of life, helping us grasp the essence of inferiority. Inferiority has two sides. On one hand, it can compel us to pursue excellence and strive continuously. On the other hand, we often refer to inferiority as a state of mind. In the book, inferiority complex is defined as the feeling of helplessness that arises when a person faces a challenging problem. For example, a person may feel short in height and try to stand tall or walk on tiptoes in a crowd. However, these actions have no practical effect, leading to a feeling of helplessness and inferiority. All feelings of helplessness stem from the following three conflicts. Firstly, the conflict of life and death. Resources in this world are limited, resulting in various systems of resource allocation. Under these systems, we need to learn certain skills and engage in corresponding professions to survive in society. Overcoming obstacles and acquiring survival skills constitute the first conflict. Secondly, the conflict of superiority and inferiority. Human activities are built on cooperation, as individual survival is challenging without the support of a group. Therefore, in order to gain a stable position within a community, we must continuously strive for excellence, which is commonly known as putting in effort. This is the second conflict. Thirdly, the conflict between males and females. To ensure the healthy reproduction of the human species, gender differentiation exists, leading to the emergence of aesthetics and sexual desires. However, to maintain a harmonious living environment, various social morals and institutions have been formed to limit our behaviors, such as the concepts of love and the institution of marriage. How we adjust our behaviors in the face of these limitations constitutes the third conflict. These three conflicts permeate every aspect of our lives and span our entire lifetime, with inferiority being just one manifestation. So, what are the sources and impact of these conflicts? Firstly, the influence of early memories. We store information that we believe is important in our memory, forming experiences for reference to help us deal with life's challenges. Different early memories shape distinct personality traits. If a person's memories are predominantly pleasant, these experiential references can enable them to handle problems with greater composure. However, if a person's memories are predominantly pessimistic, they may often feel helpless when facing conflicts, succumbing to an inferiority complex. Secondly, the influence of dreams. Dreams are a form of communication from our subconscious mind, attempting to help us solve problems. Dreams provide us with metaphors without restrictions, leaving behind a feeling after waking up, which is the purpose of dreaming. For example, a person about to face an exam may dream of engaging in intense combat on a battlefield and eventually sacrificing themselves heroically. The residual sense of fear upon waking may prompt them to avoid the exam. Conversely, dreaming of overcoming challenges and reaching the mountaintop to witness beautiful scenery may leave behind a sense of joy, instilling them with the courage to face the test. Dreams attempt to use fantasies to help us understand the meaning of life. For those who have misconceptions about inferiority or the understanding of life's meaning, dreams often reinforce the conflicts. Thirdly, the influence of the family. After an infant is born, their first contact is with their mother. All of their actions are an attempt to establish a connection with the mother for survival. Many mothers often view their children as an extension of themselves because children are their creations and they strive to exert control over them. However, excessive emphasis on the relationship between themselves and their children can lead to excessive dependence, making it difficult for children to independently navigate the complexities of the outside world. The essence of family and marriage lies in cooperation, and children lacking a cooperative environment find it challenging to handle conflicts. They may feel that others are unwilling to cooperate and care for them, causing them to rarely make proactive contributions within a group and leading to an inferiority complex. However, their expression of inferiority often manifests not as being silent, but as arrogance or a sense of superiority, an attempt to convey that they do not need cooperation. This painful approach often amplifies conflicts and ultimately leads to destruction. The book also lists more influences, such as adolescence, school, love, and marriage, but we won't delve into them here. How we handle these three conflicts determines whether our personality is healthy and our understanding and pursuit of the meaning of life. Overall, different attitudes towards conflicts create two types of personality traits. The incorrect traits involve individuals who are self-centered, not recognizing the importance of cooperation, fixated on the self, and unwilling to contribute to others. The correct traits involve individuals who continuously adjust their behaviors to align with the goals of the community. Regardless of the situation, they strive to find ways to actualize their understanding of life's meaning. They are willing to help others and seek help from others, thereby rarely experiencing feelings of helplessness. The method to change incorrect personality traits is not constantly telling oneself not to feel inferior, as such suggestions only deepen the negative mindset. We must identify appropriate solutions to address the problems and find the courage to confront them. This process constitutes a lifelong journey of self-improvement. Lastly, I'll share a quote from the book to conclude today's reading. Birth is just the beginning of life. One's entire life is not about anything else but a continuous process of being born.